Chengdu, known as the hometown of giant pandas, is set to impress the world once again. This time, the spotlight isn't on the adorable animals, but on an extraordinary world-class sporting event, the FISU World University Games.
The Chengdu Plain is long known as a land of abundance. Chengdu, a city steeped in history, once nurtured the ancient Shu civilization, which dates back at least 4,800 years.
This is the bird ornament with a pattern of sun and motto birds, which are revered symbols in the ancient Shu culture.
太阳石鸟金饰是国家一级文物，也是成都城市形象标识主体图案。即将举办的成都大运会也大量运用了这个设计元素。
The Yuniversiad will run from July 28th to August 8th. As Chengdu takes the spotlight, you will discover a city seamlessly blending tradition with modernity.
Around 1,000 years ago, Du Fu, a revered poet of the Tang dynasty, lived in Chengdu for 4 years. Du described the city as a famed bustling metropolis, capturing its prosperity and vibrancy.
Back then, Chengdu stood among China's most renowned commercial cities, reaching extraordinary levels of prosperity. Of particular fame is Chengdu's Shu brocade, which became one of the most notable commodities traded along the Silk Road. Today, Chengdu has evolved into a modern and thriving international hub in southwest China.
When night falls, the city takes on a new look, especially as viewed from above.
With its flourishing economy, rich history and vibrant culture, the city with a history of over 2,000 years is seen by many as a pleasant place to live. It's offering a good balance between modern amenities and traditional charm. Sichuan Opera is one of the renowned opera schools of Chinese opera, and among the best-known stunts is the face-changing technique. As the Chengdu University draws near, a sports craze is sweeping across the city.
Behind me at the Dong'an Lake Sports Park stands a 31-meter-high giant torch tower. The torch will soon be lit up there with vacant dreams of athletes from across the world.
The city is ready and poised to welcome an impressive and unforgettable sporting extravaganza.